Huzur, from the same surah this question is asked. It is Inna nashiyat al-layli hiya ashaddu watan wa aqwamu qila. Arabhai wants to know the tafsir and interpretation of this verse.
This is apparent. I don't understand why you want any tafsir of this verse. When you stand up at night alone, then your ego has nothing to do with it. You don't do it for showing others. So it is better to stand alone and pray before God, to suppress your ego and to avoid showing people what sort of person you are. So that is the simple meaning. And moreover, watan, what is the?
Ashaddu watan.
Waqwa muqila.
Wa muqila.
Ashaddu watan means, in that regard, you trample over your desires properly. And you are alone before God, and you can trample upon your desires, and whatever you say is true and honest. You don't do it to show off to others what you are saying.